reading a newspaper. I'm eating breakfast. I'm studying English lesson. I have read newspaper. I have eat breakfast. I have studied English lesson. I have been reading a newspaper. I have been eating breakfast. I have been studying English lesson. How many books do you have? How much rice do you eat daily? How many bananas are in the basket? Amina, 24 years old. Sulastri, 20 years old. Dodi, 30 years old. Dodi is older than Amina. Sulastri is the youngest among them. Excuse me, how much this is sugar? It is 30,000 per kilograms. How many kilograms do you have? I have 2,000 kilograms. Can you give me a discount if I buy 10 kilograms? Sure, I can give you discount. It will be 290,000 for 10 kilograms. It is still expensive. Can you give me more cheap, please? Okay, it will be 280,000 for 10 kilograms. Wow, thank you. Give me 10 kilograms of sugar and I will subscribe. Okay, you're welcome.